Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Gemma Belen, 26 years old. I am single mother. I have one child, 7-year-old kid. I am a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
I have experience in Saudi Arabia, 2 years as domestic helper, Finnish contract.
What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
My duties and responsibilities as domestic helper are taking care of children, elderly, cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and all other household chores.
What the age is you taking care of the children?
2 years old,
And elderly?
68 years old,
Healthy but ridden?
healthy.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me the way how to take care of the baby.
I will feed them milk, change their diapers, bath them, and change their clothes.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, sir. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the lame, 1 for the little kids who live down the lane.
Okay, that's great. Can you cook well?
Yes, sir.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe your personal character attitudes?
I am a very hardworking and trustworthy person.
Okay, how do you perform as a domestic helper?
I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.